Create a composition with a background. Go to Ellipse tool, make sure you have background deselected, create a circular shape, select the shape, hold Ctrl button and double click on pan behind anchor point. This way we have an anchor point already in the middle of the shape. Let's scale it down, hold Shift button. For the moment we will keep the shape of this size, then place time indicator at the very beginning, press letter P to reveal position. Add a position, then move time indicator maybe a second or so. Let's grab it, the shape, and move all the way to the other side, like that. Then select both keyframes, right click, keyframe interpolation, and where it says spatial interpolation, change it to Bezier. Press OK. Now we have two handles. Grab it and move it up. And now it's creating an arc shape animation. Then we go to Effect, Time, Echo. Here go to Echo Time. Write minus 0.003, then decay 0.95 and increase echo, like that. Toggle switch where is the motion blur, activate motion blur on the shape and make sure this icon is enabled. Then press letter S to reveal the scale and scale it down. Scale it out to a fitting size. And if you play, you will have a nice motion happening. Now it's not ideal because we have this white point at the very beginning and at the very end. Here we go to transform and we're gonna reduce opacity. Go to the very beginning, add opacity keyframe, make it 0. How about we move a few frames, increase opacity to 100. Let's move it a little bit more further. Adjust the keyframes accordingly so the starting point bubble disappears. And now at the very end, add a keyframe, make it opacity 0 and move a few frames back and make opacity 100. And if you play, you have a nice shooting star motion happening. Make sure to split it, edit, split layer, delete the top one, then right click, recompose. Let's go inside of it, move time indicator at the very end of the shooting star, press letter N, and then where is composition, trim comp to work area. So now we have a very short composition of 1 second. If you go back to your main comp, you can now reduce opacity if needed, you can reduce the scale, and if you duplicate, you can move anywhere where you want and you can create literally a rain of shooting stars all over the sky.